to my channel. I wanted to share with you guys the raffle prize that I won from Frank Garcia when I was at his studio on Saturday. And I did a separate video because it is a kit. And like I said in my previous video, I took a sneaky peek of it and I haven't unwrapped anything. I just opened the box. So this is the box that I received. And sorry for that shadow. But look how super cute this is. I've never gotten any of his kits before, so this is a super treat for me. But as soon as I open the box, it is just already full of yumminess. And I'm going to set the box aside and let's go through the kit together. Okay, so first I see this little postcard, and so it says March 2018 parcel. I don't know what type of kits he has, so this is all really new to me, but I mean, just look at this. It's beautiful. And then he has a special note that I believe he changes up every time he creates a kit, and I read it and it's beautiful. I love how he adds a personal touch to it. And then on top was this Maggie Holmes embroidered patch. Look how pretty that is. So I don't know if this fell out of the kit or what, but that is so pretty. And then everything else comes wrapped like this, and I love this sticker. So pretty. So let's open it up. I'm excited to see. It's a mini album kit. Oh, yay! Because I didn't pick up any of his mini albums, like his, what's it called? The memory hardware, the pre-made albums. Because to be honest, guys, I've actually never completed a full mini album. So I'm still working on that. But look at this yumminess. So I don't even know where to start. Okay. So I did see Anna unbox a kit before, and I was like gaga over it. So I'm so excited. This is the raffle prize that I won. So there is this memory hardware short chipboard album, and I'm so sorry for that glare. And to save on time, I'm not going to unwrap anything. I'm sure you guys have all seen this or already have ordered it before, but I love how thick the chipboard pages are. So I'm so excited. And then there's this little kind of doodad bag. So there's some seam binding, ribbon, some, I think, like 15mm roses. There's some loose pearls and like a snippet of lace. So cute. And look at these gorgeous Prima flowers. They look sugared. And I don't have these. And then, oh, there's more flowers. And they're pink. So I don't have these either. I rarely pick up Prima flowers because I tend to use the other flowers that I have in my stash, but they're still gorgeous. So I do not mind. And then there is this super thick chipboard tag. So that will be fun. I really do want to try to make a Frank Garcia tag with all the super chunky layering and the enamel dots around the perimeter. So that will be fun. So this is from the Flourish collection, and I was looking at this at his studio, but I didn't pick any of this stuff up, which is great because I did not open this box until I actually got home. So I had no idea what was inside. So it's good that that worked out that way. So here are the ephemera pieces, and there's some vellum in here as well. that looks like rose gold accents. There is a ton. There's 40 pieces, and that is what is inside. And I love Maggie Holmes. And this trim, so it is this gold leaf trim, and I don't have any of this in my stash. And then it looks like, nope, it's just one color. I thought it was multiple, but there is a ton on here. It says 5 yards. Wow. So plenty. And these are called standouts, but it's just like dimensional ephemera. So cute. I love this little banner. And this always gives me inspiration for me to create my own. So love those. And then there are these stickers. So cute. So I can stick these stickers inside any of these little frames. And then there's these tiny gold hearts that are individual. Oh, and then here it is in like more of a cream color and some gold alphas, and then on the cream background. So that is crazy. There's so much in here. So I got a whole new collection. And then there are these stickers for the collection. And I never really looked at this collection, so it's really pretty. I mean, it reminds me just of Maggie Holmes because most of her stuff is very similar to this. But so cute. These little tickets down here are super cute. I'm so sorry for that glare. I should have done this earlier, but ran out of time. Oh, and then the chipboard stickers are included. This is a full 12 by 12. Yay! I love chipboard stickers, even though I really don't use them. I kind of hoard them, so I really need to start using them. So there are a ton in here. Oh, there's 43 chipboard pieces. And I'm sure it'll make creating an album so much easier with all this coordinating stuff. Alrighty, so then there are the papers, which is my favorite. It's called March 2018 Parcel Sunshine. And I love that he has examples because I usually need it. Oh, and then there's directions. That is awesome. So I'm sorry if this is boring for those of you that's already received a parcel before, but I never have. So this is all new to me. Oh, and he has a tag example. Thank you, Frank. I need that so I don't have to go searching around for it. So there are a couple sheets of 8.5 by 11 cream cardstock. And I don't know what this is, but it's really cool. It doesn't feel like paper. It's really thin. It has some sort of backing on here. And then it's gold. So I'm sure I can die cut things out of there. And this is, oh, it's printed acetate. That's so cool. And I can also probably fussy cut some of these elements out. So that is awesome. Yay! And then I think the rest are all the 12 by 12. So let me get some of this stuff out of the way. I cannot believe this is the prize that I won. Ah! Okay, so I will do a quick flip through for those of you who have not seen this collection. So Okay, so those are the papers. It looks like the last like 3 or 4 sheets there are doubles of, which is awesome. So thank you so much, Frank, for this awesome prize. I'm so excited. This is the prize that I won, and hopefully soon I will get to making a mini album and I will share that with you guys. But if you guys missed my haul video of Frank Garcia's studio, I do have pictures, like I said, on my Instagram of what his studio actually looked like, as well as a video up. It's like a couple of videos before this, and I will link it up here as well as in the description box if you guys have not checked out the haul, because there is a beautiful new collection in there that you need to check out if you haven't. But thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I'm so excited that this is the prize I won. And I know I keep saying it, but I've never had one of these kits before, so can't wait to start playing with it after all my unicorn frenzy subsides a little bit. But thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.